कोभिड-19 को महामारीले गर्दा पठन पाठनमा भएको असहज परिस्थितिमा पनि रिड नेपाल र कालिका मानवज्ञान मावि बुटवलद्वारा उत्पादित यो कार्यक्रम ग्रिन तारा नेपाल, फेडो नेपाल र रिड नेपालबाट संयुक्त रूपमा सञ्चालित स्ट्रङ गर्ल्स प्रोजेक्टको एक अंश हो। यस करोडा जर्मनी तथा जर्मन सरकार BMZ को आर्थिक सहयोग रहेको छ। स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ।
Namaskar to all the students and guardians who are watching this video from different kinds of medias. It's me, Krishna Prasad Gautam from Kalika Manavgyan Secondary School, Butol, Rupandai, Nepal. Today I am here as an English teacher of this school to facilitate the students of class 8 who are just the beginners of class 8 this year. Today I will give you some ideas, techniques and different kinds of conditions on the topic of article. Dear students, today's specific objectives are: at the end of this lesson, you will be able to use indefinite articles a or an in sentences, use definite article the in sentences. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to use articles in sentences. These are our specific objectives for today. Before entering the topic, I would like to tell you about teaching and learning English. In English, there are 4 skills. The first one is listening skill. The second one is speaking skill. The third one is reading skill. The fourth one is writing skill. As you are the learner of English, you have to be able to perform these different kinds of basic skills of English. Listening, you should be able to listen to others or any kinds of audio materials, and you should be able to understand by listening. You should be able to speak as far as possible. Though it is not our native language, we should try to speak and learn the English. And read, you should be able to read different kinds of text materials, magazines, newspapers, stories, drama, poems, and you have to get the idea, you have to comprehend what you read. And then writing skill. In English, you have to develop your writing, different kinds of guided writings, different kinds of free writings, different stories, poems. You should be able to write something in English. So that to learn English means to be able to possess these different kinds of skills. And to develop these different kinds of skills, for listening, you should listen some audio and other speakers. For speaking, you have to describe some places, person or things. You have to speak practically in your daily life. For reading, you have to read different kinds of text materials. For writing, you have to try writing. And to develop all these skills, grammar is very important. Grammar helps us to use language correctly and appropriately in sentence. So that today's our topic is grammar. Dear students, in grammar topics, there are different kinds of teaching items learning items suggested by the curriculum of grade 8, which is also called the basic level curriculum. Now you are in basic level. You are going to face the basic level examination, which is conducted by municipalities. So that in grammar topic we will discuss the first one, which is in your book, unit 1, articles. Dear students, I hope you have already got the idea about articles and basic conditions and techniques to use article in sentence. I would like to revise you. In English, a, n, the are articles. Yes, they are also called determiners. determiners, determiners. They are also called determiners because they determine some person, place or things. Yes, a and the are article, and these article can be divided into two types. I think you have this idea as well. Two types: indefinite article and DEFINI, definite article. Indefinite article, a or n are indefinite article, the is definite article. Okay, dear students, why a or n are indefinite article? Why the is definite article? Just I like to show from example. I saw a big elephant, or elephant we can write. I saw an elephant. I saw an elephant yesterday. I saw an elephant yesterday. Here is indefinite article. Now I use next article before the same elephant. The elephant that I saw yesterday was very big. Look at these two examples, how these are different. I saw an elephant yesterday. In this sentence, elephant is not fixed. Which elephant? How big was it? But here the elephant is fixed. I saw an elephant yesterday. I saw an elephant yesterday. The elephant that I saw yesterday was very big. Before elephant n, before elephant the. Here is n because indefinite. Which elephant did I see? It is not clear. But here, which elephant that I saw yesterday? This phrase fix the elephant. Which elephant that I saw yesterday? Fix. So that the is used. From these two examples, I like to tell you, the is definite article, that is certain. A or n are used before uncertain things, so that they are called indefinite articles. Okay, dear students, we can look at the slide. Articles are also called determiners. they can be categorized into two types. Article a or n, these are indefinite article. The is definite article. A and the are articles in English. Okay, we did why articles are categorized in different category and how they are called indefinite and definite. Now I want to move ahead to the use of indefinite, use of indefinite article a or n. Yes, they are indefinite. I have a new book. They are going to buy a camera. They are going to buy a camera. She is an honest girl. From these examples, what we can find? A new bag, a camera, an honest girl. To use article a or n, first of all, we should be clear about what are consonant letters and consonant sound, what are vowel letters and vowel sound. First of all, I like to show you here VOWEL, vowel letters. Vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. Vowel sounds. What are vowel sounds? In English, there are different kinds of vowel sounds. You can find vowel sounds in dictionary. But while we are producing different kinds of words, then sounds should be recognized to use article a or n. Vowel sound, suppose in apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple, in apple the beginning sound is a. Yes, a, E. Vowel sounds are written in slant lines in English. This is the general information to you. You can find these different types of sound in dictionary. You have to identify beginning sound. Yes, oo, oo. These are the vowel sounds. There are other vowel sounds as well. Yes, a, there are different kinds of vowel sounds. Simply we can identify while producing words, if the sounds are o, a, e, u, a, o, then we have to use n. No matter what letter is in the beginning, but we have to identify sound. No matter what word is in the beginning. In the beginning here is consonant letter. Except A, E, I, O, U, others are consonant in English. B, C, D, F, G, they are consonant. But sound is vowel. Here is consonant letter, consonant sound. Consonant letter, consonant sound. Consonant letter, vowel sound, because we do not say honest. We say honest. So that this is a new book, a new book. Only one. One. One means singular. Yes, and book, we can count book, 1 book, 2 book, 3 book, 4 book, countable. we use a or n before singular countable noun. But what is the difference? The words beginning with vowel sound n is used. The words beginning with consonant sound a is used. Yes, we can see in the example. Look at the example, please. Students, a bird, a pen, a boy, a girl, a bottle. Yes, initial letter and sound consonant. It is very easy. Yes, a useful book, a one-eyed man, a unique object, a utensil. The words are beginning with vowel letters, but sound is consonant. Consonant means ka, kha, ga, ga. You can identify pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga. In English, consonant sound. What are consonant sound? We will read vowel letter and vowel sound, consonant letter and consonant sound detail in dictionary use. There is one topic, there is one unit in your class, that is dictionary use. In dictionary use, we will know all the vowel sound and consonant sound, vowel letters and consonant letters. But here for general information, pa, ba, ta, da, ka, ga, in this way. These are consonant sound. These are vowel sound. Yes? Before consonant sound, we use a. Before vowel sound, we use n. Look at the next example. An apple, an orange, an eagle, an elephant. These are very easy because the words are beginning with vowel letters. Sound is also vowel, so that it is very easy to identify. But in the next example, an honest man, an HA student, an hour. What is the difference here? The words are beginning with consonant letters, but the initial sound is vowel. The words are begun with consonant letters, but sound is vowel, so that we use n. What conclusion we can have from these examples? What conclusion we can have from these examples? We can have one conclusion, dear student. Before singular countable noun. This is the common rule for a or n. Common rule. Before singular countable noun, the noun should be singular, and that can be counted in number 1, 2, 3, 4. We do not use article a or n before uncountable or water, not. And begin beginning with vowel sound, n is used. Beginning with consonant sound, o is used. This is the difference. You can easily identify. And sound should be recognized. If you are confused about the sounds of different words, then you have to consult dictionary, Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary. Okay, dear students, you can look at the slides. Yes, this rule can be formed from different discussion and examples. Before singular countable noun, this is the common rule. We use a or n before singular countable noun. Beginning with vowel sound, n is used. Beginning with consonant sound, o is used. But the word should be indefinite. Okay, I'd like to show you some vowel and consonant sound. In next class, we will discuss in detail. In black and white background, we can see vowel sound, and in the yellow background we can see consonant sound. I like to pronounce once. The first one, E, E, U, U, ear, A, O, ua, oi, O, A, cat, yes, A, O, A, O, air, I, ow. These are vowel sounds. Dear students, concentrated mind, take down the notes, follow me. And consonant sounds, pa, ba, ta, da, cha, ja, ka, ga, fa, va, tha, da, sa, ja, sa, ja, ma, na, nga, a, la, ra, wa, ya. Ya, the last is ya. These are consonant sound. If the word is singular and countable, we use a. If the word is begun with vowel sound and that is countable and singular, we use n. Let's look at the slide. There are some exceptions, or there are some omission of article, indefinite article a or n. Uncountable noun, we do not use article a or n before uncountable noun. We do not use a water, but we use a glass of water. Yes, because water can be counted in glass, so that we can count. We do not use a information, but we use a piece of information. And plural noun, we do not use article a or n before plural noun. And proper noun, we do not use article before proper noun. Proper noun means name of particular person or place. We do not use article. Okay students, let's do one activity in this class. Be ready with copy, be clever. Okay, activity. Look at the slide. Write and guess the answer. Do it, and after some time I will check you. Use appropriate indefinite article a or n in the spaces. The first one, I eat ... apple a day. She bought ... new bag yesterday. There is ... you in the field. My friend is ... honest person. He is ... am a student. Ram is ... heir of his father. Heir, do you know heir? The eldest son of father is heir. All the properties of father goes to the eldest son in the family, heir. She bought ... a useful book yesterday. Mr. Sharma is a ... union leader of our company. Julia lost ... 1 rupee coin on her way to school. There is ... FM station in our village. Okay student, do the task. Use appropriate indefinite article a or n in the spaces. Guess. Remember what I told you and then do the task. I hope you have got the idea and you can do it. Can't you? Okay, student, I think you did all the questions. Let's check answers. Check answers and evaluate yourself. Okay? Look. I eat an apple a day. She bought a new bag yesterday. There is a U in the field. My friend is an honest person. He is an MA student, not MA student, yes, MA student. Ram is an A of his father. She bought a useful book yesterday. Mr. Sharma is a union leader of our company. Julia lost a 1 rupee coin on her way to school. Follow me and check. There is an FM station in our village. Okay. I hope you are clear about the use of indefinite article a or n, which is our first specific objective of this lesson. Okay, my dear students, our second specific objective is we will be able to use definite article the in the sentences. So that I like to move ahead to the use of definite article. Definite article the. Yes, the use of definite article the. In previous classes, you have already got the ideas, basic ideas about the use of definite article the. Now, I will tell you some basic ideas and further specific ideas about the use of definite article the. Concentrate your mind. Do not leave me. If you leave me, you will not get all the ideas given by me. So that follow me. Be clever, be ready. First of all, he reads the Gita daily. It is not person. Gita means religious books. Gita, Ramayana, Bible, Tripitaka, Quran. Yes. I have visited the Sahara Desert. Next example. Mr. Yadav wrote an essay. Sorry, yes, an essay. Mr. Yadav wrote an essay. The essay was very interesting. Mr. Yadav wrote an essay. Before essay we use an. Before the same essay we use the. What is the difference? I have already told you the is definite article. Here is the essay is fixed. Fixed essay. Which essay? That Mr. Yadav wrote. The essay written by Mr. Yadav. Here the essay. Which essay? The essay written by Mr. Yadav. But here the essay is not fixed. So that N. What rule can we form from these examples? Before religious books, holy books. Before desert, oceans, seas. And before the noun that has already been mentioned, that is repeated. Yes, that is repeated noun. The noun is repeated, or the essay has been mentioned here as well, so that we use article. These three. Look at the slide, students. Before the names of religious or historical books, the first one. The second one, before the names of deserts, oceans, seas. Second one, I have already told you. Before a noun that has already been mentioned, I have told you. Dear students, now I like to give you some more examples and rules to use article the. My friend can play the madal. And next, I have seen the Naraya Narayaniti Palace. And next one, there are the Himalayas in the northern part of our country. Look at three examples. My friend can play the madal. Before musical instrument, we can say. I have seen the Narayaniti Palace. Before big buildings, famous buildings. Taj Mahal, Narayaniti Palace, Ganesh Hall, the Sarath Stadium, we can say. There are the Himalayas in the northern part of our country. The Himalayas. Before Himalayas, mountain, range, canals, islands, we use article the. We can look at the slide. Look, student, don't forget to note down. Okay, follow me, note down, get all the ideas. Before names of musical instrument, the piano, the guitar, the flute, the damaha, the madal, yes, the harmonium, you can say, different musical instruments. Before the names of cinema hall, theatre, concert, library, stadium, museum and historical buildings, I have already told you. Before the names of mountain, range, canals, rivers and islands, seas and oceans, yes, you have already got the idea, I think. Okay, now I would like to move ahead towards the next example. Example of article the. The UK. The UK. The USSR. Yes. And the rising Nepal. Rising Nepal. The Bhuttal today. Yes. Examples. Look at the examples. The Stone Age. The Stone Age. The Modern Age. The Modern Age. From these examples, what rule can be derived? What rule can we make? You can see in the slide. Before plural name of countries and geographical names, the Netherlands, the USSR, the UK, the SAARC. Before the names of newspaper, you have already got the idea. Before historical events, the Stone Age, the Modern Age, the Renaissance. Yes, these are the other use of article the. Now let's go ahead. The first, the 10th, she is the first girl in the class. The first, the 10th, yes. In the same way, the east, the north pole, the north pole, the best book, the tallest girl, and the boy with red hat is my brother. Yes, here is a bit different. Look at please and understand. The boy with red hat, but in this sense I visited a boy yesterday. I have written this example to compare with this. Yes, by comparing we can learn so many things. Comparing a boy, the boy. How? Here is the boy is fixed, here is the boy is not fixed. So that which boy? The boy with red hat, fixed. I visited a boy yesterday. Which boy? Not fixed. So that if the noun is governed by phrases, we use article the. In this sentence, before the ordinal number of adjective, the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the east, the north pole, the south pole, the west, direction and poles. Before the direction and poles, we use article the. And next one, the best, the tallest, it means, I think you have already guessed. Before the superlative degree of adjectives, there are 3 degrees: tall, taller, tallest, positive, comparative, and superlative. Before superlative we use the. You can see in the slides. Look at please. Before ordinal number, I have already told you. Before the names of direction and poles. Next one, before superlative form of adjectives. And next one, before a noun governed by phrase or clause. The boy with red cap is my brother. The man who took photograph is my father. In this way. Now I'd like to move ahead. Okay, student, don't forget to write everything. Get the idea, don't leave me, follow me. And next one, the earth, the moon. I have written examples in a short way. The earth revolves the sun. And next one, in the morning, in the afternoon, in this way. The earth, the moon, the sun, before unique object of universe. Yes, unique object of universe we use the. And in this example, the morning, the afternoon, the evening. But we do not use the before night. We do not use the before night. At night, not at the night, yes, at night, before parts of day. You can see in the slide, before unique objects, the earth, the universe, the moon, the planet, the stars. Before famous buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Narayanati Palace, the White House, the Singha Darbar. We have already discussed this. Before parts of day, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon. Yes, we have already discussed. And dear students, I have presented some of the basic and some specific rules of use of article. There are so many other rules as well. They are advanced. You will learn slowly and gradually in this class and in the next class, class 9 as well. Okay, get the idea? Now it's time to do an activity. Look at the slide and do the activity. Fill in the blanks with appropriate articles. In the first, he bought ... X-ray plant. Copy with me. Use article and I'll check you after some time. Have you seen ... one-legged man? The girl in kurta is my sister. The girl is, yes, ... girl in the kurta is my sister. There is ... you in the field. Carol reads ... Bible daily. He is ... worst person I have ever seen. There is ... ox in the shed. They decided to buy ... camera. He has visited ... Taj Mahal. He is ... SEE student. Raju played ... Madal very well. Deepak is ... first boy in the class. I get up early in the morning. He has seen ... Sahara Desert. Okay, do this exercise. Write down, guess the answers, do the exercise. After some time, I'll check you by giving the answers and you will evaluate yourself. Student, I hope you are doing, you are guessing the answer, you are filling up the spaces. Okay, let's check the answer. All of you, check the answer. Look at the slide. Let's check. He bought an X-ray plant. Have you seen a one-legged man? One is begun with vowel letter but sound consonant. Wa. The girl in kurta is my sister, fixed girl. There is a you in the field, consonant sound. Carol reads the Bible daily, before holy books. He is the worst person I have ever seen, before superlative. We use the. There is ... ox in the shed, an ox. It is very easy. They decided to buy a camera. This one is also very easy. He has visited the Taj Mahal, before famous buildings. We use the. He is ... SEE student, NSEE, not SEE. SEE student. Raju played the madal very well, musical instruments. Deepak is the first boy in the class, ordinal number. I get up early in the morning, parts of day, in the morning, in the afternoon. What a big snake, what a dangerous tiger. He has seen the Sahara Desert. He has seen the Sahara Desert. Okay, dear students, we have discussed so many things about articles today. I would like to give you assignments. Go through the book. If you do not have book, you can find book in PDF file in CDC, Curriculum Development Center Library. You can download also, and read the text. You can read the text in Unit 1, or you can find other so many text in any kinds of materials. Read the text. Read the text and note down 10 sentences which have the use of articles. This is the practical question. From this exercise, you can develop the reading habit and you can develop the knowledge of grammar. And next is do exercise from your book, page on 6. You can find one exercise, or if you turn the page of Unit 1 grammar portion, you will find some exercises regarding the article. Do this task. Okay, dear students, I have given you some of the ideas. Okay, constructive feedbacks are warmly welcomed. Thank you for your help, for supporting me, for following me up to now. I'll come next time with next topic. Staying at home, develop the habit of self-study. Do creative works. This much for today. Thank you. Namaste.